Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change location on Roblox account. So I'm gonna clicking on settings, and as you can see here is no option to change location or country. So to change your location you have to use a VPN extension. So for that, open a new tab and type and open Chrome web store. Open your web store and here search for VPN, and you can add this whole VPN. So click on that and click on add to Chrome, add extension, and click on this puzzle icon and pin the VPN extension. And all you have to need, just go to your Roblox account and click on this VPN extension and click on this icon here, and now you can select any country from this list to use your Roblox. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.